Good afternoon to one and all. So, in the previous practical, we have discussed practical number 1 of electrical workshop subject. So, this previous one practical is that understand the different types of switches used in the electrical workshop. So, in that we have discussed about the some types of switches like DPST switch, that is SPST switch, that means single pole single throw switch. DPST switch, double pole single throw switch, then DT, that is DPDT, so double pole double throw switch. That means pole here, the pole it can here the pole it can be referred as a number of controlling circuit. Okay, how many number of circuit we control depending upon their types, that is SPST, that means single pole. It is having a single pole, that means it will control a single circuit. Okay, so some example we have already discussed in the previous practical. Now today we will discuss about the second one practical, is that is second one experiment number 2 is that understanding the different types of switch gears, that is understanding the different types of switch gear equipments such as MCB, MCCB, ELCB, isolator, HRC fuses. Okay, so see these are the different types of switchgear equipment. So these switchgear equipments you people studying in your BE class, that is the switchgear and protection subject. So we will just some of the understand these switches, what is meant by MCCB, what is meant by MCB, then what is meant by ELCB, here it can be used, what is the isolator, and HRC fuse, that is what is meant by fuse, and HRC fuse, it is a type of fuses. There are detailed explanation of this switchgear equipment. It is in your BE, that is in switchgear and protection subject. Okay, switchgear and protection subject. Now we will see one by one. So see, I will first of all tell its long form, what is meant by MCCB. Okay, what is meant by MCCB, what is meant by MCB, then what is the ELCB, then isolator and HRC fuse. See, MCB, the long form of MCB is nothing but miniature circuit breaker. Okay, miniature circuit breaker is nothing but MCB. Then MCCB, it is nothing but molded cage circuit breaker. Okay, molded cage circuit breaker is nothing but MCCB. ELCB, it is nothing but earth leakage circuit breaker, earth leakage circuit breaker. And then isolator, it is an isolating equipment, it will be used in the MSCB, that means in MSCB switchard and HRC fuses. So I think you people already well known about the fuses. There are different types of fuses used generally in our home appliances. There are some fuses used generally. Again, there are agriculture field also, there are fuses used. In case of your distribution transformer, that means in your distribution transformer, there are also some fuses used. So there are different types of fuses like HRC fuse. Now title of this is nothing but understanding the different types of switchgear such as MCCB, that is molded cage circuit breaker. MCB, it is nothing but miniature circuit breaker. Then ELCB, it is nothing but earth leakage circuit breaker, isolator and HRC fuse. Okay, now aim of this experiment is nothing but to study the different types of switchgear, to study the different types of switchgear. So apparatus for that is nothing but MCCB, MCB, ELCB, isolator and HRC fuse. So see, we will see one by one. See, first one is nothing but molded cage circuit breaker. So long form of that, it is nothing but molded cage circuit breaker, it nothing but MCCB. See, it is the type of electrical protection device. So switchgear and protection, that means it is a switchgear protecting device. Line ला protect करण्यासाठी जे device use करतोय, these devices are included in the switchgear equipment. Switch gear equipment So this switchgear equipment, it is used to protect your power system or the protect your device. Baga, in our home appliances we are using one MCB. Okay, so the function of that MCB is that not only switch on the supply, the function MCB, again MCB, either it may be automatic or it may be man, that means it is man operated. Okay, so this MCB, that means a miniature circuit breaker, it will trip automatically when any one of the fault will be occur in that line. त्या लाईन मध्ये जर एखादा फॉल्ट ऑकर झाला तर तो एमसीबी काय करेल, ऑटोमॅटिक circuit trip kare. So this is nothing but circuit breaker, miniature circuit breaker. First of all, definition of circuit breaker is that circuit breaker means it will makes or breaks the circuit. Okay, it will makes or breaks the circuit under some of the abnormal condition. एखादी abnormal condition आली ते एकतर break करेल circuit or it may be it will make the circuit. Either it may be automatically or it may be man operated. So this is nothing but circuit breaker and miniature circuit breaker. So in that first one we will see the molded case circuit breaker. Molded case circuit breaker, it is a type of electrical protection device. This molded case circuit breaker, it is a type of electrical protection device that can be used for wide range of voltage. So voltage range for this molded case circuit breaker is that wide range of voltage, and the frequency it should be varying from 50 hertz to 60 hertz. Okay, so these types of equipment, हे जे काही equipment आहे, that is molded case circuit breaker. This equipment, it can be used for high voltage range or it may be wide voltage range, and the frequency it is from 50 hertz to 60 hertz. Now the main distinction between the molded case and the miniature circuit breaker and molded case circuit breaker madla main difference is that the MCCB can have current rating up to 2500 ampere, and its trip setting are normally adjustable. See, circuit breaker, that is molded case circuit breaker and miniature case circuit breaker, it is having an one difference. So this difference, it is nothing but its current rating up to 2500 ampere, 2500 ampere पर्यंत तो यूज करू शकतो आपण 2500 ampere. Now in case of miniature circuit breaker, its current range is small, like it should be depends upon your device also. So see, if you are using in your home appliances, so sometimes it is used for 6 ampere or it may be 10 ampere rating. If the circuit breaker, it should be used for in your heater also, that means one of the domestic equipment like heater, or it may be your fridge. For that it should be connected like a 16 ampere switch, or it will be act as a 16 ampere protecting device. Then again, for if we increase the rating, so it should be increases, that means 16 ampere, again it may be 32 ampere, again 66 ampere. So its rating, it will be increases. Okay, so but the molded case circuit breaker, it is having an high rating as compared to that of miniature circuit breaker. Okay, and also one of the advantages is that its trip setting, that is trip setting are normally adjustable. Molded case circuit breaker, its trip setting, it can be adjustable. Trip करण्याची जी काही setting असेल, that means suppose we set one value of that, suppose one of the circuit breaker, it can be used for 16 ampere, and we set the value for that by using a relay at a 10 ampere or it may be 12 ampere. 10 ampere la set केली. If the current flowing from that line, it is about 10 ampere, at that situation this circuit breaker, it will be trip automatically. So this is nothing but trip setting. Okay, trip setting, this setting, it can be adjustable for molded case circuit breaker, and this facility, it is not available in case of miniature circuit breaker. Now the operating mechanism. Okay, now the operating mechanism for molded case circuit breaker is that as its core, the protection mechanism employed by MCCB and is based on the same physical principle used by all types of thermal magnetic circuit breaker. Okay, so it is again see here, first one operating mechanism, that means there are some of the core is necessary, and it's protection mechanism, it will be employed as a MCCB. This protection mechanism, it is based on the same physical principle used for all thermal magnetic circuit breakers. So thermal magnetic circuit breaker, it is nothing but thermal magnetic circuit breaker, it is nothing but it is its principle, it is depends upon thermal or temperature, that means thermal magnetic circuit. Okay, so it should be based on the same physical principle used by all types of thermal magnetic circuit breaker. Then overload protection is accomplished by means of thermal mechanism, that means if there are suppose these types of equipment, switchgear equipment, it is used for any one of the machine, that is big machine, एखाद्या मोटरला यूज केले, and if this motor it get overloaded, do you know that if machine it get overloaded, that means some of the heat will be generated. So this is nothing but thermal mechanism. Now MCCB have a bimetallic contact when expands and contracts in response to change the temperature. Okay, so this molded case circuit breaker, this is having an bimetallic property, this is having a bimetallic property, that means it will expand as well as it will contract, it is depends upon the temperature वरती depend राहील, ते expand होईल की contract होईल. Okay, so that means it is having an bimetallic property, it should be having an bimetallic property. Now under normal operating condition, the contact allows electrical current through the MCCB. So if there are normal operating condition is there, that means circuit breaker is operating very well, good, as well as normal operating condition without overloading, or it may be without any fault will be occurring. At that situation there are some current, it will be flowing from that circuit breaker. However, as soon as the current exceeded the adjusted strip value, that means बघा मी आता जे एक्झाम्पल सांगितलं, as soon as the current exceeds the adjusted trip value पेक्षा जर करंट काय झाला, इन्क्रीज झाला किंवा एक्सीड झाला, then the contact will start to heat, contact काय होतील, it will start to heat and expand until the circuit is interrupted. जोपर्यंत सर्किट इंटरप्ट होत नाहीये, up to that it will be heat, it will start heating as well as it will expand, and when circuit it will be interrupted, that means current flowing from that circuit breaker it will be breaks. So that means this circuit breaker it will be operating, or it will be kept remaining system safe as compared to that of faulty system पासून हे काय करेल, आयसोलेट करेल किंवा राहिलेली सिस्टीम जी काय असेल सेव्ह करेल. ओके, now the thermal protection, that means its principle, it is depends upon temperature, its principle it is depends upon temperature. If the same as that of fuse सारखं तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, you have generally used a fuse in your agriculture field. आपली जी काय शेती पंपाची किंवा ऍग्रिकल्चर फील्डची मोटर असेल, ओके, सो आपली बघा 3 HP 5 HP 7.5 HP और इट मे बी 10 HP मोटर असते. सो इफ द करंट एक्सीड्स फ्रॉम दॅट फ्यूज मधून फ्लो होणारा जो काही करंट आहे तो एक्सीड झाला, ॲट दॅट सिच्युएशन दिस फ्यूज इट विल गेट मेल्ट, फ्यूज काय होते, मेल्ट होते आणि सर्किट काय होतं, ट्रिप होतं. सो सिमिलरली हिअर ऑल्सो ती फ्यूज मेल्ट कशी होते, बिकॉज ऑफ टेम्परेचर. फ्यूज मेल्ट कधी होणार, करंट एक्सीड झाला, सपोज एखादा कंडक्टर आहे, या कंडक्टरची करंट कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी 6 एम्पियर. ओके, the current carrying capacity of any one of the conductor it is 6 ampere, but sometimes the current flowing from this is nothing but increases, that is above 6 ampere, that means suppose the current it will be flowing from this is nothing but 8 ampere. Okay, so याची capacity 6 ampere आहे, current flowing from that is nothing but 8 ampere. So due to exceed in the current or the due to more current it will get heated, ते काय करेल, heat will, and once it will heated at its melting point, at that situation it will start melting and after melting it will break the circuit. Circuit काय करेल, break करेल. So this is also same for the fuse, but it is for the replacement of fuse. There are some worker is necessary or personnel is necessary to replace that circuit. Okay, see, the thermal protection against overload, it is designed with the time delay. Overload protection जे असेल, it can be that means overload protection is given to any one of the machine or any equipment by providing some of the time delay. By providing some of the time delay म्हणजे एखादं सर्किट आहे, याच्यामधून जर एक्सीड करंट फ्लो झाला तर त्याला टाइम दिले दिला जाईल. सपोज दिस टाइम डिले इट इज नथिंग बट लेस दॅन सेकंड, और इट मे बी काही सेकंद असेल, 20 सेकंद, 30 सेकंद, और इट मे बी सम मायक्रो सेकंद, काही वेळेस मायक्रो सेकंद मध्ये पण असेल, बिकॉज इट इज डिपेंड्स अपॉन दॅट इक्विपमेंट. इफ देयर आर बिग ट्रान्सफॉर्मर इज देयर, so we want to isolate this transformer suddenly isolate करावं लागतो, so that there are time given or time delay it is given less, some it is in microsecond also. Okay, now it should be depends upon time delay to allow the short duration overcurrent, which is normal part of the operation for many device. However, overcurrent condition that last more than what is normally expected represent an overload similar to that of overcurrent. That means, do you know that suppose we consider a DC motor, एखादी DC motor consider केली, if DC motor get overloaded, motor एखादी overload झाली, the meaning of overloading is nothing but it will take a extra current from the supply. Okay, एखादं ओव्हरलोड झाली म्हटल्यानंतर ती इनपुट करंट किंवा सप्लाय कडून मॅक्झिमम करंट किंवा एक्स्ट्रा करंट घेणार. सो दिस मॅक्झिमम करंट और द एक्स्ट्रा करंट इट इज ड्यू टू दैट मॅक्झिमम करंट. अगेन दिस मॅक्झिमम करंट इज नथिंग बट ओव्हर करंट कंडिशन, म्हणजे रेटेड करंट पेक्षा जास्त करंट घेतला की ओव्हर करंट कंडिशन. नाउ at that situation, this MCCB it will trip and protect the equipment and that of personnel. So worker as well as equipment ला काय करेल, protect करेल. On the other hand, the fault protection it can be accomplished by using this MCCB. ह्या MCCB चा यूज करून आपण फॉल्ट प्रोटेक्शन पण प्रोव्हाइड करू शकतो. सपोज any one of the fault, that is there are different types of fault, or it may be line मध्ये किंवा एखादा इक्विपमेंट आहे. सपोज वी कन्सिडर अ मोटर, एखादी मोटर कन्सिडर केली. सो इन केस ऑफ मशीन और इन केस ऑफ that motor, in case of that machine or the motor, so when any one of the fault will be occur, ekada fault occur zala, that means this fault, suppose the fault it is nothing but suppose sometimes winding fault is there, sometimes rotor winding short circuited fault, sometimes stator fault, or sometimes a line to line fault. Okay, okay, see, now for that this MCCB it can be used for the protection of these types of fault also. That is fault protection, it can be accomplished with electromagnetic induction and the response is in instant. Fault current should be interrupted. Am I audible? No? Hello? Okay, see, this by using this MCCB we accomplish the fault protection also. Sometimes fault it can be protected by using MCCB, like, and the fault current. So as we know that if any fault will be occur in the any transmission line or it may be equipment, at that situation the maximum current it will be flowing from that faulty point. So that fault current it should be interrupted immediately, no matter if their duration is short. Suppose consider kara, these are the two lines, that is transmission line, and in between this transmission line one of the fault it can be occur like a short circuit fault, line to line fault झालेला आहे. So if the fault it can be occur, the maximum current flowing from that line it is flowing from this fault point पासून flow होतो. So this current it can be also interrupted by using this MCCB. Okay, now whenever a fault occur, the extremely high current induces a magnetic field in the solenoid coil located inside the breaker, and this magnetic induction trips a contact and the current is interrupted. Okay, so for that there are one of the solenoid is introduced in the construction of this breaker, and this breaker the magnetic induction strip and a contact and current it can be interrupted. Now as a complement to the magnetic protection mechanism, MCCB have internal arc dissipation measures of facilitated interruption. Okay, see, I think you people where the seen or not seen, I don't know. While opening the circuit breaker or while closing the circuit breaker, okay, circuit breaker open होत असताना किंवा close होत असताना, because there are high voltage across that terminal, या टर्मिनलच्या across high voltage असेल. So while opening or closing that circuit, there are some of the arc it can be ignite. Okay, what is mean by arc? Anyone? Hello? Hello? Suppose there are one rod, or it may be one of the conductor, and this one is the conductor. First of all, we want to connect this conductor, or we want to हे दोन कंडक्टर कनेक्टेड आहेत, मला हे काय करायचे, ओपन करायचे. So at that situation, some of the arc it will be ignited in that एअर गॅप बिटवीन दिस टू कंडक्टर. दोन कंडक्टरच्या एअर गॅप जो आहे त्याच्यामध्ये आर्क इग्नाइट होते. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय आर्क? एनीवन? आर्क माहिती आहे कोणाला? कन्सेप्ट ऑफ आर्क? हॅलो, गिव्ह मी रिप्लाय. हॅलो, कन्सेप्ट ऑफ आर्क? Okay, no one. See, the arc is nothing but in between these two electrode or these two conductor, the air gap between these two electrode, there are some of the arc it can be ignited. Arc ignited is nothing but in Marathi we can call it as a ज्वाला. ते दोन कंडक्टर ज्यावेळेस एकमेकापासून ओपन होत आहेत, at that situation there are some of the arc it can be produces. Okay, so this arc it is due to this arc, it is due to this one arc, it is due to the ionization between the air gap between these two conductor. या दोन कंडक्टरच्या मध्ये ionization or some of the ionizing particle in between these two conductor or two electrode. या दोन इलेक्ट्रोडच्या मध्ये ionization happen होतं. So due to that ionization the arc it will be produces. That means sometimes the current it will be flowing through that arc. या आर्क मधून करंट काय होतो, फ्लो होतो. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट this arc quenching mechanism or the arc interruption mechanism it can be provided. Okay, arc quenching or the arc interruption mechanism it can be provided. Okay, now then next one is that as the complement this circuit, whenever fault occurs, the extremely high current it will be induces, and a magnetic field in a solenoid coil located inside the breaker. This magnetic induction trip contact and current is interrupted. As the complement to the magnetic protection mechanism, MCCB have internal arc dissipation measures to facilitate interruption. Okay, now this is nothing but an MCCB, this is nothing but molded case circuit breaker. Molded case circuit breaker. Now second one switchgear equipment is that the miniature circuit breaker. Miniature circuit breaker, the device which provides definite protection to the wiring installation, definite protection to the wiring installation and sophisticated equipment against overcurrent. Okay, again this equipment it can be this overcurrent equipment or this device it will provides a definite protection to the wiring installation. Wiring installation la protection provide करेल, and this one is it will provide wiring installation protection as well as it will provide a equipment against overcurrent as well as short circuit fault आणि overcurrent ला protection provide. Now the thermal operation overload protection, it is achieved with the bimetallic strip. Again, same principle as that of MCCB, which deflects when heated by an overcurrent flowing through it, and in doing some release the latch mechanism and cause the contact to open. So some latch mechanism is there, and due to that it will open its contact. So this is the simple miniature circuit breaker. Generally this circuit breaker, it is used in your home appliances to provide a protection to your home appliances. म्हणजे आपल्या जर voltage fluctuation मुळे किंवा overcurrent over voltage मुळे जर काही fault झाले, to give protection against that fault, we use the MCB. In our home appliances there are always we use MCB use करतो आपण, that is miniature circuit breaker. Okay, so to protect our device like a TV, fridge. Okay, sometimes some of the voltage fluctuation is there because our single phase supply is on 3-phase line, so that due to that sometimes there are voltage fluctuation is there, and some equipment get damaged due to that voltage fluctuation. If we do not use the protective equipment जर आपण नाही use केले तर at that situation it will get damaged. So that there are necessary that MCB is provided. So MCB, it will protect that equipment under some of the overcurrent protection, that means overcurrent condition, over voltage condition, or it may be voltage imbalance condition. Okay, or it may be fault condition. ते काय करेल, protect करेल. So this is the MCB. Now next one is nothing but, that is next one switchgear equipment is nothing but earth leakage circuit breaker. Okay, so earth leakage circuit breaker is that it is a device that provide protection against earth leakage. Okay, so it will provide, its name, it is depends upon earth leakage. That means earth leakage protection साठी use करतोय आपण earth leakage. Okay, it will be used to provide a protection against earth leakage. And these are of two types. In that first one, current operated earth leakage circuit breaker and voltage operated earth leakage circuit breaker. Current operated, that means current operated earth leakage, and second one is that voltage operated earth leakage circuit breaker. See, in that first one, the current operated earth leakage circuit breaker. So that means this circuit breaker, it is operated on the current. So current वरती depend राहील, or it is an current operated, हा current operator असेल. So current operated earth leakage circuit breaker. See here, for that see, that means there are some types of fault. I think you people know that some of the big equipment, it is an earth protected. That means earthing is required for some of the equipment. काही equipment ला earthing required असते. Suppose we know that your iron, that is istri, then again you are the another one, that is heating equipment. So it will require an earth protection, or sometimes earth is nothing but earth is provided. What is the necessity to provide a earth provide करण्याची काय गरज आहे? So that means sometimes extra amount of current, it will be flowing via earth मधून flow in. So that means it will be protected by personnel also, that means operating man also, as well as that equipment also to damage. Okay, so that means for that in our home appliances we generally use the three pin plug आपण use करतो. So one plug for positive, one plug for negative, and this one middle plug for it. This one plug, it is for a earth. Okay, so this sometimes it is current operated, that means it will carry a current. It is used when the product of operating current in ampere and the earth loop impedance in the ohm does not exceed 40. Okay, see, these types of current operated earth leakage circuit breaker, this circuit breaker, it can be used or it can be operated when it is the current, it will be flowing and the earth loop impedance, म्हणजे earth loop आहे, म्हणजे earthing केलेला आहे. For that situation, this earthing resistance, or it may be earthing impedance, we can call it as a resistance or impedance, this should not exceed a 40. Okay, such circuit breaker is used where consumer's earthing terminal is connected to a suitable earth electrode. Okay, बघा आपण जनरली आपली होम अप्लायन्सची ज्यावेळेस फिटिंग करतो, ऍट दॅट सिच्युएशन दिस थर्ड टर्मिनल इट कॅन बी अर्थिंग दिलेलं असेल. सो फॉर अर्थिंग प्रोटेक्शन, again for the earthing protection, there are earth leakage circuit breaker is given. Suppose for here, see here construction, the diagram is there. Suppose here it is load is connected from here, three wire three phase supply is given, and one of the equipment it can be connected across that. So this equipment is nothing but current transformer, that is CT. याच्यामध्ये एक CT connect केले आहे. So CT, and here it is earth, it can be provided. इथं अर्थ प्रोव्हाइड केले. Suppose this equipment having an fault, that is earth fault, एखाद्या equipmentचा earth fault झाला, direct it is current, it will be get earthed, or it may be earth fault will be occur. At that situation, the earth leakage circuit breaker it can be used to protect that equipment from that earth leakage fault. Okay, from that earth leakage fault. Now a current operated earth leakage circuit breaker, the current operated earth leakage circuit breaker is applied to a 3-phase 3-wire circuit. It is operated for a 3-phase 3-wire circuit. Okay, this current operated earth leakage circuit breaker are used where 3-phase 3-wire circuit is there. म्हणजे आपलं जे काय in case of in your MSCB also it is used, as well as in case of your distribution transformer terminal, that means 3-wire 3-phase 3-wire system is there. Now in normal condition, when there is a no earth leakage, the algebraic sum of all the current in the 3 coils are equal to 0. Okay, normal condition अशी असते. I think this part you have studied in the power system. Sorry, not studied, you will study it in the power system. आता power system मध्ये बघणार आहे तुम्ही. तो sum of algebraic current from each phase or each coil, that is suppose R phase मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट IR प्लस Y phase मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट IY प्लस B phase मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट IB. Sum of all the current it is equal to 0 for when there is a no earth leakage. If there is a no earth leakage, then current flowing through the sum of algebraic current flowing through that each coil or the each lines, it will be 0. So this condition you will study this part in the power system 3. Power system 3 मध्ये आहे तुम्हाला. Okay, now and no current flows through the trip coil मधून फ्लो करंट फ्लो होणार नाही. that means a trip coil मधून करंट फ्लो झाला तर सर्किट ट्रिप होईल. Okay, so at that situation there is no current flowing from trip coil. Now in case of any earth leakage, if there are any earth leakage, it can be happen, the current are unbalanced. म्हणजे हे जे काही करंट आहेत all 3 phase मधून फ्लो होणारे करंट, this current get unbalanced. That means not a balanced current, unbalancing will be happen. So due to that unbalancing, the sum is not equal to 0, and some current it will be flowing through that of earth trip coil, and then the trip coil it will get energized. Okay, and the circuit breaker it can be interrupted. Trip coil काय होईल, energize होईल. If the trip coil it get energized, then the circuit breaker it can be tripped. Not for this diagram, for this one diagram. See here, this trip coil it will be get energized, and when this trip coil it will get energized, then circuit breaker will be trip the circuit, or current operated earth leakage circuit breaker it will operated and it will trip the circuit. Okay, so this is the current operated circuit breaker. Then next one is nothing but voltage operated earth leakage circuit breaker. Voltage operated, that means it is operated via voltage, it should not depends upon current. It is suitable for use when the earth loop impedance to fuse or excess current circuit breaker is there. Okay, now when the voltage between the earth continuity conductor, that is earth continuity conductor ECC, and the earth electrode rise to a sufficient value, the trip coil will carry the required current to trip the circuit breaker. बघा काय कंडिशन आहे याच्यामध्ये, when the voltage between the earth continuity conductor, म्हणजे जो कंडक्टर अर्थला कनेक्ट केलेला आहे त्याच्या अक्रॉसचं व्होल्टेज, दॅट इज ECC कंटिन्युटी कंडक्टरचं व्होल्टेज, and the earth electrode, जो काय आपण अर्थ इलेक्ट्रोड यूज करणार आहे, सो अर्थ इलेक्ट्रोड इट विल राइज टू अ सफिशियंट व्हॅल्यू. जर हे व्होल्टेज राइज झालं डिफरन्स दोन्ही मधला, देन द ट्रिप कॉइल विल कॅरी अ रिक्वायर्ड करंट. ऍट दॅट सिच्युएशन जी काही ट्रिप कॉइल आहे, दिस वन इज द ट्रिप कॉइल, it will carry a sufficient current and it will trip the circuit breaker. Okay, it will give command to the circuit breaker like trip a circuit. Now with such a circuit breaker, with a such circuit breaker with a such circuit breaker, the earthing lead between the trip coil and the earth electrode must be insulated. Okay, so see, one condition is that for these types of circuit breaker, या सर्किट ब्रेकर मध्ये द अर्थिंग लीड, अर्थिंगचं जे काही लीड आहे किंवा आपण जिथं अर्थिंग करतोय, अर्थिंग लीड बिटवीन द ट्रिप कॉइल अँड द अर्थ इलेक्ट्रोड मस्ट बी इन्सुलेटेड. इट मस्ट बी इन्सुलेटेड. ओके, सो त्याच्यामध्ये इन्सुलेशन प्रोव्हाइड केलेलं पाहिजे. दॅट मीन्स इट मे बी इन्सुलेटेड. अँड इन ऍडिशन द अर्थ इलेक्ट्रोड मस्ट बी प्लेस्ड आउटसाइड द रेजिस्टन्स एरिया. ओके, इट मस्ट बी प्लेस्ड outside the resistance area. It must be placed outside the resistance area of any other parallel earth which may exist. Now in both the above type, the ELCB, that is earth leakage circuit breaker, and the tripping operation may be tested by means of finger operated test button. Okay, so this can be its test can be done by a finger operated test button. Okay, and which passes a predetermined current from the line wire through a high resistance to trip the coil and thus to the earth. So this test operation should be performed regularly. हे operation regularly conduct करण्याची गरज असेल. That means this should be performed regularly. Okay, this operation it should be performed regularly. So this is nothing but an earth leakage circuit breaker. Now the isolator. Okay, next one point is nothing but, or next one switchgear equipment is that isolator. The isolator, it can be defined as, isolator it can be defined as, it is one type of mechanical switch used to isolate a fraction of the electrical circuit when it is required. Okay, so generally the isolator it is used in the switchyard or it may be MSCB. जे आपलं स्विचयार्ड असेल MSCB मध्ये आपण आयसोलेटर यूज करतो. सो दिस आयसोलेटर इट इज यूज in that of circuit. Again this isolator it should be used to isolate the circuit, that is isolate the faulty section from that of healthy section. हेल्दी सेक्शन किंवा हेल्दी पॉवर सिस्टीम पासून जो काय फॉल्टी सेक्शन आहे, that means we want to isolate this section from that of faulty section to avoid the damage, or it may be to protect our device. That's why there are isolator it can be used. Now the isolator switch are used for opening an electric circuit in the no load condition. Okay, so this switch it can be used when no load is provided on the circuit वरती load नाही पाहिजे. At that situation we open the isolator. See, suppose I will take one example. Suppose we want to do the maintenance of any one of the transformer in your distribution substation. Okay, distribution substation मध्ये मला एखाद्या ट्रान्सफॉर्मरचं काय करायचं, मेंटेनन्स करायचं. So for that, for doing the maintenance, suppose the circuit breaker it can be open. Okay, circuit breaker it can be open, but the worker we don't know the condition of that line. त्या लाईनची कंडिशन माहित नसते. सर्किट ब्रेकर जरी ओपन असतील, बट इट इज इन फिक्स्ड इन द वन बॉक्स, सो दॅट वी ओपन द आयसोलेटर टू व्हिज्युअलाइज दिस वर्कर ऑल्सो. म्हणजे वर्करला पण व्हिज्युअलाइज होईल की सर्किट ओपन आहे, and then only we will do the maintenance of that transformer. Okay, so generally in substation you seen this isolator बघितले असतील तुम्ही. So it is used to open the circuit when no load condition is there. If there are no load condition is there, then and then only we can open this isolator. Otherwise, if at load condition you try to open the isolator, then there are some of the over voltage will be happen. Okay, over voltage happen will, due to over voltage there are some of the drawback in the system or some of the damage of that of system मध्ये काहीतरी damage होईल. So don't open the isolator in the loaded condition. We want to open the isolator in no load condition. Okay, so this is the electrical isolator. I think this isolator you people already seen in your substation. Now the operation of this isolator is that when there is a no arc quenching method is offered in the electrical isolator, मध्ये arc quenching method, if it is not used, it should be worked once there is a no possibility of current flow through the circuit. Okay, so it will be operated in a once, so there are no current through the possibility. That means this no load condition, do you know that the no load condition is there? That means the no load condition is there. If the no load condition, that means there are no current flowing through the node. So no current, that means there are we can easily open that of isolator. So that means it is open in no load condition. Otherwise it should be a closed. Otherwise it should be a closed. Now a complete live closed circuit should not be opened through the isolator process. See here, one sentence is given, that means complete closed circuit. म्हणजे load दिलेलं जे काही circuit असेल or loaded terminal असतील, it should not be opened by isolator process. Also a live circuit should not be closed as well as complete through the isolator. ते isolator चा use करून close पण केलं जात नाहीये, as well as it should not be completed through a isolator. Okay, that means to keep away from the huge arcing. At that situation, when the loaded terminal is there, at that situation there are huge arcing will be happen. That means sometimes there are over voltage will be happen. So this is the reason isolator should be open once the circuit breaker is open. The reason behind it, when the circuit breaker it can be opened, then and then only we can open the isolator. आयसोलेटर कधी ओपन करायचे, जर सर्किट ब्रेकर ओपन असेल तरच आपण आयसोलेटर काय करतोय, ओपन करतो. सो द आयसोलेटर मस्ट बी क्लोज वन द सर्किट ब्रेकर इज बिफोर क्लोज. सर्किट ब्रेकर क्लोज करण्याच्या अगोदरच आयसोलेटर काय करायचे, क्लोज करायचे. ओके, दॅट मीन्स इट शुड नॉट बी क्लोज्ड और ओपन ऑन लोड कंडिशन. इट शुड नॉट बी ओपन or closed on a load condition. So it should be opened or closed in no load condition. Okay, now the operation of an isolator can be done through the hand locally using mechanical mechanism. By using hand we can open or close this isolator from a remote location. The arrangement of motorized operation is expensive as compared with that of hand operation. म्हणजे रिमोट लोकेशन वरून पण करू शकतो, दॅट इज ऑटोमॅटिकली बाय युजिंग अ मोटराइज्ड ऑपरेशन, बट इट इज एक्सपेन्सिव्ह एज कम्पेअर्ड टू दॅट ऑफ हँड ऑपरेशन. देअरफॉर द चॉईस मस्ट बी टेकन बिफोर सिलेक्टिंग अन इलेक्ट्रिकल आयसोलेटर. सो बिफोर सिलेक्टिंग अन इलेक्ट्रिकल आयसोलेटर द चॉईस मस्ट बी taken before selecting which types of isolator or the system. So which operates manually or it may be mechanically is best for the system. Now next one, the isolator which operates manually can be operated by using the system with up to 145 kV, whereas the high voltage system using 245 kV, otherwise 420 kV. म्हणजे आपण हे मॅक्झिमम आयसोलेटर 420 kV पर्यंत यूज करू शकतो. as well as motorized isolator are used. That means handmade or it may be a man operated isolator. It is used up to 145 kV, and for high voltage system like 245 and 420 kV motorized type of isolator, that means automatic type of isolator it can be used. Then last one type of or last one part of switchgear equipment is that HRC fuse. Okay, that is HRC. Meaning of HRC is nothing but high rupturing capacity fuse. High rupturing capacity fuse, that is HRC fuse. See, the high rupturing capacity fuse, like a cartridge type of fuse, or a rewirable fuse. In our agriculture field, we generally use the rewirable fuse. Now, HRC fuse developed and designed after intensive research for use in medium and high voltage installation. For medium voltage and for high voltage installation, this research it can be done, and HRC fuse it can be developed. Now, the rupturing capacity is a high. So a high rupturing capacity, its meaning its name suggests that it is having an high rupturing capacity. So this rupturing capacity, it becomes 500 MUA up to 66 kV and above. See, these are the simple fuse or HRC fuse. It is used for a normal current rating. I think this fuse, it is you seen in the kit also, some kits, as well as your bike wiring connection also, these types of fuse is used. Then this is nothing but an rewirable fuse. So happen fuse, I think you people already seen. So the casing of that type of fuse, it can be used as a it can be made as a ceramic material, and that is having an high heat resistance body. Okay, ceramic materials बनवलेला असेल, and it is having an high resistance body. This ceramic body, it will include a metal end cap असेल, that are welded through an element that carries silver current. Okay, so the internal space of the fuse body, it is filled by a filling powder material. Here the material used as a quartz crystal. So this is a generally closed type of fuse. Here it is the filling powder, it can be placed in that fuse. Then here it is fusing element, or we can call it as a fuse. That is it is the melting point of that fuse, it is less. Fuse melting point काय असेल, less असेल. Here it is end cap is there, that means end terminal is there. Now quartz material powder is used, or it may be plaster of Paris is used, dust is used, marble, or it may be chalk dust is used. Okay, so this powder material, it may be dust, marble, or it may be chalk dust. Now so this is the reason the flow of current cannot overheat. Okay, so when the current, it will be flowing, and if the current, it will be exceeded to its value, or it may be its rated value, at that situation the maximum heat should not be produced. It means to reduce the heat, we use here the powder. Okay, we use the powder. Now the generated heat vaporize the metal element. The chemical reaction will occur between the filling powder and silver vapor to result in a high resistance material to help in the reducing the arc within the fuse. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस फ्यूज मेल्ट होते, at that situation some arc it will be produces. To reduce or to quench this arc, to arc quenching, this material, it will be help. Okay, so this is nothing but this is the HRC type of fuse, which is used as a switchgear equipment to give the protection, or to provide the protection to that of equipment as well as circuit. Okay, so see, this is the different types of switchgear equipments, like MCB, MCCB, ELCB, then HRC fuse. Okay, is there any doubt? Hello. This is also one of the study experiment. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so in this way we will conclude this today's practical, and we will stop here. Thank you.